Hi, this is Linda Shea with Drilling Contractor. I'm at the 2025 IADC Geothermal Drilling Conference in Vienna, Austria. I have with me Lars Nydahl, who is Regional Director of Europe for IADC. Lars, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
So Lars, you're the committee liaison for the IADC Geothermal Committee, and we've heard a lot at this conference about everything that IADC has done to help advance geothermal drilling for the industry. So why should drilling contractors care about geothermal? What is the value to them?
Well, first and foremost, it is actually a growing area for drilling contractors. More and more geothermal wells are being drilled. Obviously, a conference like this will also hopefully help for that industry in itself to grow. So yes, they should care because it's one way where the drilling industry can contribute to an adjacent an industry adjacent to the oil and gas industry. And this is obviously something, anything, we are for any enterprise that requires the use of a drilling rig. So that's pretty fundamental.
So we know that there are a lot of other existing geothermal organizations already. So how is the work that IADC is doing different from those organizations, and are we perhaps collaborating with them?
We are collaborating with them, and in fact, when we started a couple of years ago to find out, so what should our role be? What should IADC's role be in all of this? Obviously, we talked to these other organizations because we didn't want to encroach on anybody else's territory. And we realized that they were all saying, no, please, there is a definite important role for you because what you are good at is making things like definitions and standards and, helping create a common language for the entire industry. So that's what we set out to do.
So we're here at the inaugural edition of the IADC Geothermal Drilling Conference, the very first one ever. Was there anything that was presented here or that you heard or learned here that you think is noteworthy people should know?
For me, the most fascinating things that I've seen have been the various case studies of projects that are actually taking place at the moment, and some of them are really going to the edges of technology. Absolutely fascinating, and if they're successful, that promises a great growth in many areas.
Well, thank you so much, Lars. We appreciate the work you've been doing to advance geothermal drilling and the work of the Geothermal Committee, and we hope to have more geothermal conferences in the future.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.